Hi, my name is Erin and welcome to my presentation on Jewel David Ministries. Jewel David Ministries is located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania and provides mental health services including Christian-based counseling and group therapy sessions, mainly to women and their families. Jewel David provides affordable mental health services by using a sliding fee scale based on the patient's income. This is possible through donations primarily through the Lights of Hope gift thrift shop, which is also located in Elizabethtown. The proceeds from the thrift shop are used to help Jewel David pay for its counseling services. The main stakeholders for Jewel David Ministries are the counselors who see and treat patients, the administrators who run the organization, along with intake coordinators who take calls and schedule appointments. Other stakeholders are the patients and their families who use the services, and the Lights of Hope thrift shop and other donors who provide money to help run Jewel David Ministries and allow for that sliding scale of payment. Some of the expectations that each stakeholder group are as follows. Counselors expect to be able to meet privately with clients, to maintain professional and Christian standards, as this is a Christian-based counseling organization, and counselors expect to be compensated for their services. Administrators and intake coordinators expect to have the means to run the office and make appointments. They expect that patients will arrive promptly and call if they have cancellations, and they also expect to be compensated. Patients and families expect that their privacy will be maintained, that they will receive help with their problems, and that fees are reasonable and as expected using the sliding scale. The Lights of Hope thrift shop and other donors expect that the money provided will be used appropriately by Jewel David Ministries. While it is important for workers such as administrators, intake coordinators, and counselors to be compensated and for patients to keep appointments, the two most important expectations that I see for this organization are: 1, that professional ethics in the counselor-client relationship are maintained. This means that counselors do no harm, that the counselor-client relationship is maintained. In other words, there's no sexual relationship between the counselor and the patient, that they aren't family members, and also that the counselors respect the diversity of clients, the counselors don't impose their own beliefs on clients, and respect any cultural or ethnic differences. The other important expectation I see for this organization is that all the money from the Light of Hope thrift shop is used appropriately by Jewel David Ministries, such as for patient and administrative services, not being used by management for personal reasons. The reasons I see these two issues of ethics and financial honesty as being particularly important is that for a counseling organization, trust is very important, and without it, it would be almost impossible for patients to believe that they're getting a good service from their counselors. Two ways that management can maintain this trust and keep up with those expectations is: 1, to make sure that their counselors are up to date on licensure, and that in the case of questions about ethics, use the resources provided by the American Counseling Association. Another way that managers can make sure that Jewel David is keeping up with these expectations is to perform an annual internal audit to show that finances are being handled honestly, doing things such as reviewing tax-exempt status and making sure bank accounts are being managed properly. Free resources, such as the one provided by the Virginia Society of Certified Public Accountants, are available online to help nonprofits with these internal audits. Excuse me. Jewel David Ministries is an important local organization that provides affordable mental health services. If managers can plan and organize to keep licensures and ethical practices up to date and perform annual internal audits, it will help to ensure that Jewel David Ministries is a continued presence in the Elizabethtown health community. Thank you.